This is a lot of hair. Like, this was a lot of hair, and I kind of felt like that when I was wearing it. Like, I feel like I have a lot of hair on my head. No, you don't get it. There's nothing in my hair right now. Nothing. What's going on, guys? My name is Essence and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. What up? My name is Essence, and if you're returning, then welcome back. Guys, it's time. Passion twists gotta go. I'm gonna be taking out my passion twists, cutting them out, getting my hair back. I miss my hair and my hair is really dirty and I just can't, like, I'm over it. I'm so over it. So I'm gonna be cutting my passion twists out right now, and I'm also gonna be doing a bentonite hair mask for the first time. So after I take these twists out, I'm gonna do that. So come along the ride with me, come along the journey. Time to snip these twists out. So I don't go shooting with your heartbeat, 'cause you take a bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making. This can actually be a look. Short passion twist. Coming to a YouTube video near you. Okay, so they're all out now. This is actually fun. This is a fun look. It's cute. I'm just gonna go ahead. Thankfully, my natural hair is short, so I basically cut off most of it. And now it's just for the actual unraveling part. So because these are twists, it's just gonna take 2 seconds to come out. Boop. Just like that. Ugh. Honestly, hair keeps getting in my mouth. And that's all yeah, I'm gonna do this from the back because when I get to the back, I'm gonna regret it. I really am. So basically, you just want to grab the twist, find a middle like that, pull it apart, and depending on how tight it's attached at the root, you should be able to just slide it out. Okay, so they're all out. Here is my gelled up, edge controlled up, twisted up, out hair. Literally, they look like dreads though. Like, they really do. Anyway, so I'm gonna do a bentonite hair mask for the very first time. It really, really cleanses your hair. It takes out toxins and draws out impurities and everything from your hair, making it clean and fresh. It's really good for your scalp, and also it leaves your hair really soft and shiny, and a lot of people say it's like a reboot for their hair. So I'm gonna try it for the very first time. I figured this would be the best time to do it after I took out my passion twist. My hair's really dirty from not being washed for so long. Oh, and the best thing that naturals say that this does for their hair is make their curls pop. So even though it's like cold winter here in Toronto, I'm not gonna be doing wash and goes and whatever, but I still wanna see my curl definition because since I went natural, I just feel like my hair doesn't know what to do with itself. I feel like it needs to be like, you know, trained and pushed in the right direction, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that right now. So this is my first time, let's do it. Okay, so here is all of my passion twist hair, and honestly, as I took it out and look at it right now, this is a lot of hair. Like, this was a lot of hair, and I kind of felt like that when I was wearing it. Like, I feel like I have a lot of hair on my head, and I did. Like, this is 9 packs of hair right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all in a plastic bag and then get to mixing the bentonite clay. Okay, so one thing about bentonite clay is that you cannot mix with any metals or anything like that. I'm just gonna move my phone. You can't mix with any metals or anything like that. It's gonna mess up what's the word I'm looking for here? The composition, basically, of the natural, the naturalness of it. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, so this is the brand that I'm using, and so I got this off of Amazon. I don't remember how much it was, but I will link all of the details in the description. So I have just a plastic spoon here, and I know every black person got one of these in their kitchen, so we're gonna go with that. Go ahead and use apple cider vinegar instead of water. You can use water, but I just feel like apple cider vinegar has more beneficial qualities than just plain old water, so I'm gonna do that. Now, basically, in terms of measurements, people just went on the consistency that they wanted rather than a specific measurement, so I'm just gonna measure it out based on how I want it. I want the consistency to be. They have all of that at the bottom, so I just give it a little shake, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in. And apparently you're supposed to see some scientific, oh, some scientific reaction. P.S. These Q-tips are not for my ears, okay? These are Q-tips that I use to remove makeup from under my eyes. So don't ask why I have Q-tips here. I'm not dirty. I'm efficient, okay? Anyway, let's go ahead and pour this in. Yeah, it's like fizzing, it's bubbling. Yeah, and immediately it just turns into a clay. That apple cider vinegar is strong, bro. Okay, so I definitely want it thinner than this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more in. So this is a pretty good consistency for me. Thick, but not too thick. But I just feel like this is just not enough for my whole head. Okay, that should be good. Oh yeah, that's bonus points. Okay, this is pretty much good for me. If I need more, I'll just mix more. Let me go clean myself up and I'll see you in a sec. I need to detangle this and I need to basically get it soaking wet and then apply the bentonite clay. I'm too lazy to go in the shower and like wet my hair in the shower, come out and then dry my whole self off. Like I just, no. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use a spray bottle and just soak my hair in water that way. I have my clay here in my bowl. I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle my hair and I'll see you soon. Okay, so my hair's all combed out now. This is my real fro. And so I'm basically just gonna soak my hair in water, like each section. I'm gonna soak it. I'm just pre-doing it right now while I talk. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna apply the clay to each section. Yeah, let's get into this. Have to apply this in small sections because it like feels really weird on your hair, really clayish and hard, definitely hard. Yeah. And I actually added some a little bit of oil in here. I was watching a video of Chizzy Duru and she was doing her mask and she said next time she definitely would have added a little bit of oil. So I just added a little bit in mine and I don't really think it made a difference. This is what it's looking like. Okay, so I'm already done half my hair. And I feel like this is taking forever, but you know what? This really shows up your curl pattern. Like from the very beginning, like the front of my hair is just really floppy. And you can see how it changes over here. As you go down, like the curl pattern just gets more dense and dense. So I feel like this definitely will make my curls pop because it's almost like it's putting them in like this cast or something. Pretty cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other half of my hair and come back when it's done. Okay, so I'm all done putting everything in and honestly, you can already see like how defined these curls are compared to how they were before. It's crazy. But this side is still like so straight. So you need to keep it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Then I'm gonna wash it out and we'll see the results. Okay, so it's all done now. And honestly, like you remember how straight my hair was in the front. Like it was just straight. Look at it now. Shook. Okay, so I just got out from washing the clay out of my hair. And first of all, just look at this. I've never had that before. I mean, I know I haven't been natural for that long, but this front part of my hair has like no curl definition, like ever. Okay. Like, no, you don't get it. There's nothing in my hair right now. Nothing. Okay, all I did, you saw what I did. Okay, there's nothing in my hair except for the bentonite clay. I didn't put any conditioner, any oil, nothing. I literally just washed it out, put a t-shirt over my head to get the excess water out, and literally like, look, there's nothing in my hair right now. Like, look at these curls. Wow. I'm most shocked about this section right here because it has like it has no curl definition. I keep saying that. Okay, if you have not tried this, try this. Okay, I'm so shocked right now. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition my hair. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I usually deep condition first, but because of the way this mask works, I had to do the mask first, and I'm gonna go put some conditioner on my hair. I am using Pear Deep Conditioner by Aunt Jackie's, you already know. So I'm gonna go put this on. I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer. If you have not tried the Bentonite Clay Mask, get some. It's worth it. Like, it's not a game, it's not a joke. Do not underestimate, do not look past, do not brush by, don't roll through the stop sign. Stop, look, and listen. You need to try this. Okay, after the deep condition, it honestly feels so soft. Like, the bentonite mask plus the conditioner, like the curls are still popping. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. If you have not tried a bentonite clay hair mask, I hope this video convinced you. Let me know down below if you've tried it before, maybe if you want to try it. Other than that, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you in the next one.